What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 more KitchenAid gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first KitchenAid gadget I got here vegetable sheet cutter. Let's see how it works. You already know KitchenAid products are pretty awesome. So let's see if this one actually going to be worth it. Well, there's a whole bunch of pieces out here. Then we're gonna attach it to a KitchenAid right here. Oops. There you go. And plug this back in. Oh, you know what? I am missing a piece. This piece, let me take this whole thing out. This piece is gonna go into here and lock in. Boom. Then you wanna put a piece in. And then this. There you go. Now we're all set. Push it forward, lift it, and the blade goes in. Okay, now we're gonna put it on one. Oh no, cucumber got messed up. Let's try a different one. Okay, let's try this with the cucumber, with the bigger blade. Okay, and put it on one. It's gonna shave it off, the first parts. Oh my gosh, look how amazing that is. Look at that, that is so cool. Think of all the possibilities. You can make cucumber wraps, put some food in there, curl it around, make some awesome dishes or snacks. Amazing. That was cool. Now let's try an apple. All you have to do is just pull it up, close it, and put on one speed. And look at that, it peels it, and then it keeps going. How cool is that? Think of all the possibilities you can do with that stuff. Wow, this is so satisfying. And the bigger the apple you have, the wider it's going to peel. Look at that. This is so amazing. So guys, this is what folded apple looks like now. Wow. I bet it's gonna be so much fun eating an apple like that. This is actually very satisfying. You know what? Let me come up with something else. Unlock it. Pull this thing all the way and pull the apple out. And look how perfect that is. The seeds are over here. Okay, let's try this with the potato. I'm having too much fun with it. You know what guys, that machine is amazing, but I would take out the blade every single time. After you use it, you just want to take it out, just in case. So this is why it's so easy to take it out, because those blades are going to be very, very sharp. So take it out, then put your potato in. Boom, all the way in. You see? And don't have to worry about having a blade here. So make sure you take the blade out all the time. I didn't cut myself that bad, but you know, you want to be safe. Just take it out for that reason. Okay, let's see how potato does. Okay, it's peeling it first. This is a peel. I don't think the potato was even enough. But yeah, we have pretty nice roll out here going as well. Look at that. Take the blade out instantly, so that way you don't have to worry about anything. Now look at this peeled potato. Think of all the possibility. That's so cool. I never seen anything like that. Just learn from my mistake. Read the description. So pull the potato out. Boom. Okay, this time we're going to do a carrot. You see how easy it is? Pull this in, close it, put it on one. You know what, that carrot kind of busted up. So I'm gonna have sheets instead. What? That's it? Couple of sheets like that, that's all I got. Carrots wasn't as efficient. Turn this, pull the blade out, and you have a couple of sheets of carrots. You really will have to have thick carrots for it to work. This is the thickest carrot I had. So I'd say very amazing attachment. Let's see what else I got. For the next KitchenAid gadget, I got here a juicer. Wow, whole bunch of stuff in here. Check this out. I love how it's packaged every time, so good. Whoops. Took me a few minutes of assembly, but this is really nice. There's a couple blades in here, and there is a few juicing attachments right here. You can take this out and put the different ones in. You see how fine you want to have it? How much less do you want to have plum in there? The most important, you gotta line up this line to this line, and then everything will fit just fine. And once again, we're gonna stub it into our KitchenAid. That's the biggest attachment so far I put to the test. Okay, let's put some apple slices in there. There you go. I can see it's juicing. That's nice. Oops. That's alright. The juice supposed to come from here. The rest of the stuff comes into here. Okay? Oh yeah. And all that stuff that you don't want goes into here. Juice out here, all the leftovers into here. I like how it's see-through, so you can see what's going on. Going to get myself first squeezed apple juice. But yeah, you'll have to slice up the apple for sure. It won't fit in there. Very nice. I ran through a few more apples and look at that. It worked really good. Now the only question, how do we clean it? Take this off, obviously unscrew it. Now turn this up. This should come out as well. Boom. Clean all that stuff out. And then you can just stick it all into the washing machine. All that just rinse this off. Don't have to put this in the washing machine. Same thing right here. Take all the pieces out, stick it in a washing machine, ready to go. Don't have to hand wash it at all. Very, very nice. For the next gadget, it looks like sterilizer. Whoa! Look at all these attachments. I might keep all these boxes, put them all back in the boxes and store it till I need it. This is straight up just like one of these apple slicers, except now we have a mechanical one. First attachment is apple. I'll put it in and then I'm gonna plug it in. You know what? I think I need to move it forward as well. Okay. And it's slicing it and cutting it. Very, very nice. Can go faster too. Okay, it's done. I'll turn it off. Now I'm gonna remove the apple. Boom, wow, so awesome. Now you can garnish your food with the apple, whatever, beautiful. Look at that peel. Now I can move the whole thing away and remove the core. Nice. Also I can remove this part, plug it in, and let's see what happens. This is cool. Maybe put this down. Beautiful. Now I can move it away and you have here a really nice spaghetti cucumber. Try to do this again. The best way to do it is plug it in like that. Then you're going to put the attachment. Let's try to use this attachment. Move it back a little bit. And then the trick is to put it right in the middle. This is much thicker one, and as you can see, it works really, really good. Very user friendly, and once again I can stick this in a dishwasher and be done. Super cool. Okay, once it's stopped, you can sterilize so well your cucumber. Super cool. I really like this gadget a lot, and it has so many sterilization attachments. This has gotta be the best one I ever used. Next gadget is much simpler than the other ones. You can just attach it like that, and so that way you can pour whatever you need to pour into here without spilling anything. You see how there is not much space for you to pour anything. Here you have way more space. Okay, let's demonstrate. Let's say you need flour, just dump it into here, boom, and then push it forward, and it's mess free. I like it. Then let's say you need to pour milk into there. You don't have to aim, you can just pour it all the way down into there. And if you want to pour it like that, that works too. Look at that. No way I can even fit into here. It's really hard. With this little slide, very easy. Definitely works really good, makes things much easier. For the next KitchenAid gadget, I got here food processor. How cool is that? Let's see if it actually works. This one is actually very simple. This is a standard attachment. You put it in and you have here the blade. Very nice. Same thing with this different attachment. You put this in first and then you plug that in. Same thing, this one can go in into here as well. Depends how do you want to slice it up. I'm gonna be using this attachment first, and also very simple locking mechanism over here. Boom, locks in into here, and then we're gonna bring out the KitchenAid and plug it in into here. Also right here, I'm pretty sure how fine you wanna chop it up. I'm gonna do it medium. Also everything gonna fall out from here, so don't stick your fingers into there. We'll start with the cucumbers. You'll have to cut it so it will fit. I like how it's see-through. Look at that. Whoa! This is so awesome. Do another one. And I can push cucumber into a cucumber. Maybe not. Look at these pieces. Got stuck a little bit, no big deal. I'm just gonna keep going, see what happens. Yeah, this one is good. Check this out. This is pretty decent chop, but it's really hard to tell with cucumber, especially this kind. Let me try carrots. Since it's carrots, I can just stick into this thing. Look at that. This is nice. Fast. Another carrot right here. Really nice chop. Whoa. Remove that. And we're gonna take off this blade, and this time I'm gonna set up the regular blade. Let's see how well it's going to chop it. Got a big carrot over here. Wow, look at that. And it's not bad. We probably could chop it up even smaller. Let's try to do it on a small. Chops it so well. And look at this thin carrot sliced up. Super nice. I like this gadget a lot. Pretty sure I'll be using it quite often. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.